Good morning students. What we learned in the previous class? In the previous class we have learned about the algebraic expressions, is it? And we have learned about the constant, coefficient, okay, and then types of algebraic expressions. What are the types of algebraic expressions? It has 4 types. First one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial, fourth one is polynomial. What is the definition of monomial? An algebraic expression has only one term is called the monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, more than one term is called the polynomials. Okay, like terms means, what is the meaning of term? A part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign is called the terms. Okay, it has 2 types. One is like term, another one is unlike term. Like term means a variable having the same literal variables. Okay, same degree also, with the same degree is called the like terms. The different degrees are different variables having the algebraic expression is called the unlike terms. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercise problem 6.1. okay, now see, exercise 6.1, write the numerical coefficient of each term. Okay, so first one, numerical coefficient. So already told, numerical coefficient means numerical values. Okay, minus 7y. So what is the numerical coefficient? Is minus 7, and second one 3 by 4 AB. So numerical coefficient is 3 by 4. Okay, and C minus x squared. So what is the numerical value here? Which number is here? Any number is here? Any number in this place? Yes, here 1 multiplied by 1, we get the same number. So what is the numerical coefficient? Minus 1. Okay, so numerical coefficient is minus 1, and D minus 5 by 7, A squared B. So what is the numerical coefficient? Is minus 5 by 7. Okay, I hope you are understood. Remaining problems are homework. Now move to the second problem. Write the constant term of each of the following algebraic expression. So constant term only. Constant term means all the real numbers. All the real numbers are all the constant terms. See, the first one 6x plus 2. Okay, so which one is constant term here? 2 is the constant term. Okay, 2 is the constant term. So answer can written as constant term is 2. And the next one B, x squared minus 7. The constant term is minus 7. And C, 8 is given. 8 is also a constant term. And D, x squared minus 1 plus x. x square minus 1 plus x. Okay. So which one is constant here? Minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 is a constant and remaining problems are homework. Third one, write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expressions. So here give it the algebraic expression, you have to write the separate terms. Separate terms. See the first one. A 3x. So 3x is a one of the term. So it's answer. And B x squared minus 8. So here how many terms are there? 2 terms. So it can written as x squared comma 8. So how many terms are there? 2 terms. One is x squared, another one of the term is minus 8. Okay. Next one, see 3x. 3x plus 4y. Here also 2 terms. So what are there? 3x comma 4y. And next D problem, x squared minus x cube minus y cube. So how many terms here? Also 2 terms. So x cube comma y cube. And the E, a cube plus b cube minus 2ab plus 6. So how many terms? A cube, b cube minus 2ab comma 6. So 4 terms having. Okay, that's it. Now fourth problem, pick out the like terms from the each group. Okay, like terms we have to pick up. The first one, like terms. What are the 2x, 3y, 7x. What are the like terms? 2x and 7x. Two x comma 7x. Okay, pick out only it said. And next B, a 7b minus 6b is given. So these are the like terms. So like terms are 7b minus 6b. And next C, 3x squared minus 4yz comma 8x squared. 8x squared. So these two are the like terms. What is the definition of like terms? The same literal variables and same power or degree. Okay. So here the same degree and same literal variables. So like terms are 3x power 2 and 8x power 2. Okay. So remaining problems are homework. Now move to the fifth problem. Identify the like terms in the following algebraic expression. So again give it the algebraic expressions. Okay. So first 3 problems homework. First 3 problems homework. I will do the next D. 2a squared b. Very important to identify the like terms. Okay, 2a squared b. Like terms only we have to add or subtract or add or subtract. Okay, multiply need not to the like terms. Okay, so addition and subtraction should the given 2 algebraic terms are in the like terms, then only we have add, okay, or subtract. So 2a squared b, 3ab squared minus 7ab minus 4b a squared. So which are the terms are same? Here a squared b. Any a squared b is there? These two are the like terms. And here 3a is there, but here b squared, here b term. Both are different. So what is the definition of like terms? The same variables and same degree. Okay, these are all the same one. Therefore like terms are two a squared b and minus 4b a squared, and e 6x squared y minus 8xy squared plus 5xy plus 2xy squared. Okay, so what are the like terms here? Here x squared y. Any x squared y term is there? No. Xy squared term is there? Yes. These two are the like terms. So the like terms are minus 8xy square and 2xy square. Okay. F ABC plus a squared BC plus ABC squared plus 7ABC. So first term ABC. Any ABC term is there? Here. Here a squared BC. Here different. So like terms are ABC and 7ABC. That's it. Okay. And next, write down the degree of the following algebraic expression. Okay. You know, everyone is known well. So you will do the homework. Sixth one, homework. Fully do the homework. Sixth one. And then seventh problem. If x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, find the value of. So first problem is homework. I will do the second problem. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy square plus 3x squared y. Okay. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square plus 3x squared y is given. Okay. So how can you calculate? Substitute the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So substitute x value is 3 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 3 into x value is 3, y value is 4 squared plus 3 into x value is 3 squared into y value is 4. Just substitute the values in the xy places. Okay, right. Now 3 power 3 means 3 multiplicated itself thrice times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, and next 4 multiplicated itself thrice times. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, is it? 16 4s are 6 4s are 24, remaining to 64 plus 3 3s are 9 into 4 squared 16, 4 squared is 16 plus 3 into 3 squared value is 9 into 4 into 4. So simplify here. First add these values or simplify. After finally we have add. Okay. So 16 9s are 16, 9s are 9 6 are 54 So 4, 5, 9 plus 5, 14. 144 plus 27. 3 nines are 27. So 27 into 4. 7 fours are 28. 8 plus 2, 10. So 108. Now add all the numbers. 144, 108, 64, okay, 27. Okay, 12 came up. 12 plus 6, sorry, 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, 16 plus 7, 23. 6, 12, 14. So 4, the 4, 343. Okay. When we have applied the values of x equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, we get the answer is 343. Okay, the first problem is homework. I will write the homework on this side. First, E, F, G, second, E, F, G, H, and third, completed, okay, third fully completed, fourth, D, E, F, fifth, A, B, C, sixth fully, seventh, A problem. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept of algebraic expression. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Everyone should complete the homework and send it to the Zoho app. Thank you, students.